Welcome students. This is your trial passage which is based on real judgment. It's approximate 600 words at the rate 80 words per minute. Be ready, your dictation starts within 5 seconds. Start. Execution is sought of the compromise decree dated 23rd January 2009. The decree holder seeks directions for execution of the documents for conversion of leasehold rights in the land underneath the property number 31, Safdarjung Development Area, New Delhi, subject matter of the decree into free hold. The decree holder further seeks a direction to the respondents, debtors, to sign the plans for redevelopment of the first, second and third floor of property and directions to the respondents, judgment debtors, not to obstruct in the said redevelopment. The parties being closely related to each other, attempts were made to bring about an amicable settlement. However, the same failed. During the said attempts, directions were orally issued for freehold conversion, and at present no further directions are deemed necessary with respect thereto. Suffice it is to clarify that if in terms of the oral directions, the freehold conversion to which neither of the parties has any objection does not happen and anything further is required to be done with respect thereto, the parties shall be at liberty to approach the court. Till now, this court has hesitated from appointing a commissioner with authority to sign all documents and do all acts on behalf of the parties in this regard, for the reason of the costs which the parties will have to bear of such commission. The parties are, however, warned that if they do not mutually resolve the aspect of a freehold conversion in terms of the compromise decree, this court shall have to appoint a commissioner for the said purpose, and the costs whereof shall have to be borne by the parties. The main issue between the parties is as to the right of the petitioner holder to redevelop the first, second and upper floor of the property. The compromise decree provides that the respondents, debtors, are the exclusive owners of the ground floor, and the petitioner holder is the owner of the upper floors of the property. The petitioner holder under the said compromise decree is entitled to raise further construction at the level of third floor, which at the time of compromise decree was shown as the Barsati floor in the site plan annexed thereto, The petitioner oblique decree holder also has right to raise construction above the third floor till the sky. The compromise decree further provides that both the parties shall be entitled to carry out addition, alteration in their respective portion without causing any damage to the portion of the other, and as and when requested by the other party shall furnish no objection for permission of plan for carrying out additions, alterations and constructions in their respective portions in accordance with law. The petitioner holder has, along with the execution, filed proposed plans for redevelopment of the first, second and third floor of the property. At the level of the first and the second floor, the petitioner holder seeks to construct a 3 feet wide balcony protruding into the front open space on the ground floor, and also raise construction in the rear side by covering the rear open courtyard on the ground floor. The petitioner holder also wants to fully construct the third floor, which till now was merely a barsati floor. The objection of the respondent debtors is that under the compromise decree, the petitioner holder is not entitled to extend the then existing covered area of the first and second floor to portions above the front and the rear open space on the ground floor. Stop.